दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहब्बत का पैगाम, इंसानियत के नाम।
तज़मिया खिज़रान बिन्त शाह मोहम्मद तैफूर, ये बच्ची सोशल मीडिया के उन्वान पर आपके सामने तकरीर पेश करेगी।
In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most magnificent. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The respected Maulam Ikram, Asatiza Ikram, honorable listeners and dear class fellow. Today is my topic of speech, all the important topic, impact of social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. My Allah, make my every word like a mirror. What is social media? Social media क्या है? Social media has become a part of our life. In today's time, social media is being used on a large scale all over the world. Today, social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and more are giving people a chance. But it does not have advantages. It has disadvantages also. Social media is such an instrument who are sitting 7 seas away. The sound of their heart, of their loved ones and relatives. But honorable listeners, we wish to visit Khane Kaaba. At last, before we get there, they take out their mobile phones and take selfies. They are calling social media a modern development. Honorable listeners, social media can sit in cold room and like and commute their day has become an effective weapon to form hurt feeling. This is WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, which has destroyed the young generation. The generation should have had the Quran in their hands, would have mobile phone 24 hours a day. The new generation become a Tariq bin Ziyad, Muhammad bin Qasim, Tipu Sultan, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan is seen as aspiring to become Zaid Ali, Faisal Sheikh, Jannat Zubair, Sana Khan. They are TikTokers. Dear audience, it is the sibling of parents to inform their children about the dangers of social media. Facebook, she should take the company of good when needed, only use it in a negative way, and presence of his elders or good companions. How many families this social media has destroyed the land? How many relationships this social media has broken? Mother, brother, sister and daughter sitting in the same room and taking to each other do not. Social media has thrown away decency and distinction. Even its bell was heard in Khane Kaaba and Masjid Nabawi. Dear audience, it is the sibling of parents to inform their children about the dangers of social media. May Allah grant all Muslims, especially the generation, in their hands and protect them from the enemies of Islam and the deception of Shaitan. इस उजाले से तो बेहतर होता अंधेरा होता, इस उजाले से तो बेहतर होता अंधेरा होता, रोशनी तो लाई है मंजिल से बहुत दूर हमें। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहब्बत का पैगाम, इंसानियत के नाम।